Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Arreta Mufqi and I am from BC. In this video, I want to presentation about utilization of soybean distillery by product fermented in diet to decrease body fat accumulation and serum cholesterol content of barley duckling. Introduction. The high fat content in the body, especially saturated fat, will be followed by high cholesterol content. And this will be a problem for consumers who want good quality meat. An interesting alternative feed material was observed the use of soybean distillery as a superior alternative feed. Soybean distillery byproduct fermented, it still contains protein with amino acid, lysine and methionine, and the calcium is quite high. To increase the use value of soybean distillery byproduct fermented is done by applying biofermentation technique Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Fermented feed product can increase carcass growth and quality and reduce dark cholesterol. Saccharomyces cerevisiae can increase digestibility of fibrous feed, can a probiotic in the poultry. Fermented tofu with yeast will convert protein into amino acid and indirectly will reduce level of crude fiber. Formulation of problem 1. Can the utilization of fermented tofu be used as a superior alternative feed? 2. Does the use of soybean distillery can reduce fat and the cholesterol level in the duck body? Research purpose was carried out to study the utilization of soybean distillery by product fermented Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Culture in diets to decrease abdominal fat and the serum cholesterol, barley duckling, aged 6 until 12 weeks. Hypothesis: to estimate what level to use fermented tofu drugs can be used in the feed consumption. An effort to suppress fat and the cholesterol level in the duck body. Research methodology. This research was conducted in the cage owned by duck farm in the Trajan Pekan village, Tabanan Regency. Tool: cage with a colony battery system of 24 bamboo plates and using male barley duck aged 6 weeks. Research methodology: use a completely random design with the 4 treatments in the 6 replicates. The 4 treatments are: 1. Basal without the use of tofu as a control A. 2. Using 10% fermented tofu as a control B. 3. Using 20 fermented tofu as a control C. 4. Using 30 fermented tofu as a control D. Research of the variable. Variable observed were feed consumption, final body weight gains, carcass percentage, abdominal fat, and the serum cholesterol contents. Research procedure: tofu steam for 45 minutes and cooled. More Saccharomyces cerevisiae was at 0.20% and sprayed with 4% sugar. Solution: stir by testing. The tofu was put into a polyethylene bag and perforated in the several places. During incubation of the substrate is conditioned at the thickness of 2 until 5 cm. After incubation is dry for 24 hours at a room temperature, then mix with other feed ingredients. Okay, this is the last of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.